It's a 2015 Audi Q7. Rapid transit for 7 with the comfort and style of a private plane. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled supercharged V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Parktronic Park Assist, external memory control, Audi Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Take it for a test drive today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.